guys, this is Christopher doing another video with my sister, and we're playing Assassin's Creed. Yeah. Yay, I found another thing. Let's see if I'm rich enough to buy this, or I'm poor. I hope I'm not a broke assassin. Broke assassin alert. Let's blurry again. Okay, not anymore. Let's see, can I afford all this stuff? I think I could. Meme, I think I'm broke. No, like, how? No, I want to. Stop at the cutscene.
Let me guess. You need more designs.
Yeah. I always need more designs. What you mean? Okay. Okay, how much do we have? Okay. We don't have enough money for any of those. So, on the way, I will go here probably in 5 episodes when I'm not broke. Okay. You know, because I'm broke. I'm sorry. I need the money. Okay, run away before people get mad at you. Okay, here we go. Okay. By the way, the next Mario. By the way, I don't know when I'm gonna play it, but the next Mario game will be 64. Machine gun? What? We got machine guns back then? Hold up. Accept? Heck yes. Could we have the gun? Okay, let's go. Okay, we gotta stay near here. We cannot be spotted. Okay, whoever I see. Because... Go to sleep. Crap! I should have had 2, but I'm broke, so I can't afford another small knife that I could throw at people. By the way, can I talk how cool Ezio's design is in this game? Why does it force me to jump here and not... Uh-oh. Dang, there's like so much people here. It's crazy. Look how much they are. Warning. I think I got the warning, buddy. Okay. People could see me. See what I mean? You can't see me. All you see is my fingers. Could you see my fingers? I don't know. Please, please. I'm scared. You don't see me. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Did I just enter God mode and I'm invisible? Huh. Oh. I am invisible to anything. I was gonna stab him, but for some reason it switched to a poison blade. I tried to switch it back in this, so the game's glitchy. I give it a 0 out of 10. It's like, I don't know. I can't say that I like this more than 2, but I kind of like it more than 2. I just love the whole assassin fact. Can I hire my assassins? I think I can't, but that kind of be stupid. You can't see me. If I can't see you, you can't see me. I entered God mode, guys. No one can see me. No one can't see me, see? Your brother, he can't see me. Your sister, he can't see me, see? I'm a ghost! There's a reason why assassins wear white. I found out the truth. Hey, yo, you don't know who I am. Hey, yo, what's up? Hey, yo, what's up? Nothing here. Nothing to look at. Okay, man, I thought I was actually gonna get away with that. Okay, Ezio. I thought I was gonna get away with that. I thought I was gonna be awesome and just... But I'm invisible! I'm a ghost. The Borgia can't see me. They can't see me. How? I don't know how. I got this power. With great power comes great responsibility. That's what my uncle told me. My Uncle Ben. Yes, actually, I am Spooderman. Cap. Oh, I said it was Cap. I'm just the broke version of Spider-Man. I'm not even a Spider-Man. That's how depressing I am. Okay, kill this kid. So I think we gotta destroy blueprints. Don't worry, I could do that. Sorry guys, I burned it. I was supposed to push unpause, but then the thing ended the video and now I'm extra mad. Sorry about that, guys. I meant to hit pause, but it takes forever to unpause it. I'm trying to touch it and it doesn't unpause. And I don't know how. I guess I pushed the big fat red button. Yeah, that made me mad. Oh, Ezio, could you jump or not? I'm in a mad mood. I was fine until this phone became an idiot. See, I told you guys, I get mad for the dumbest things. Okay. We could talk. What's the point? Am I supposed to go in the... See what I mean, guys? If you get me in a bad mood, I'm going to be in a bad mood forever. What the heck? So we burned it. Of course you could see me. Of course. Warning, being... Oh, really? How? How? Just blow it up. Kill the people, and how hard is it? They're gonna see me. Or are they? Later, suckers! Okay. Ezio, run! What you doing now? I think I know where to run, buddy. Dang! How did you not hear that? Come here! Oh! Okay. Hey! Oh, they have guns! Uh-oh! 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 Ah! Ah! Oh, no. Faster, horse! Faster! Uh-oh. Okay. Quit it! Ah! I'm getting there! Dang, your aim is trash, bro. Like, I thought my aim was trash in Fortnite! But that aim was garbage, bro. Like, I thought my aim was bad. Your aim is, like, garbage, bro. My aim got better the more I've been playing Fortnite, the better it got. It's kind of weird that I became a hater to a fan. Okay, come here. Come here, little boy. Come here. Come here. Just die. Just get out of here, bro. What you doing? Get out of here. Get off my blade. Boom! Dang! Ezio with the disrespect! Ezio don't care. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One of these again? Can I shoot the gun? crossbows! Uh-oh! Oops-a-daisy! Oh. Well, that was easy to kill that guy. So, I thought I dodged that. Get out of here! What you doing? Okay. Okay, you know what? Oh, let's go. Who lets you play? Dane. Okay. Man, that dude did that bear aim. I just killed 2 in once. I think I entered God mode. Ezio. I mean, who's driving? That's my question. Get out of here. I kill your horse. I don't care. I kill that horse. Oh. Bro, what you going to do? My gun is way too powerful. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get killed. You're trash. Oh, oopsie! Drive the horse, Ezio! A perfect time to drive a horse. Yo, hold up. Get killed. Get killed. I got the Glock. I got a bigger Glock. 2 for 1? 2 for 1 special over here, boys. They're too fast. Move out of the way. Gucci man. No. Hurry up. Dang, this thing has ammo. Okay. Get killed. I just killed your horse. Dang! That horse broke its ankles! That one too! What you gonna do with a sword, buddy? Dang. Get out of here! Look at these losers. Uh-oh! See what I mean? That's to drive, you know. Take a little... Oh, what the... Dang. Bro, why did you got so close? Bro, 6 feet apart, please? Coronavirus? Ayo, I'm just ruining everybody's lives right now. I'm just ruining everybody's lives. Oh. You don't want this. You don't want this, bro. I can't see. Dang. No. Uno. Dos. I said trace. Uno. Dos. Trace. Una. How do you guys have aim like gods? They're mad. They want this gun. Okay, gun is broke. Good. Okay. Get out of here. Whoa! Ezio entered God mode. I mean it. Ezio, he's just amazing. Ezio could do whatever he wants. Bro, you see Ezio just enter God mode? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. He just entered God mode. I think that'll be it for this video. If you guys like it, please subscribe, comment, and do all of that.